Rodney, thank you so much for coming to your high school entrance interview. We're very excited to learn more about you.
The high school interviews are a time for students to showcase not only their academic strengths and the way that they've sort of changed and progressed over time in the 8th grade, but we're also looking for the characteristics that we want them to exhibit once they get to the high school.
So if you think about, let's say, a class that you sometimes struggle in now, what's your plan for next year as a high school student if you find yourself struggling in a class?
If there was a 7th grader sitting here, right, and if you could share with them maybe three tips that would help them be really successful in 8th grade, what would be the 3 things you would tell them and why?
We're looking for poise. We're looking for eye contact, a firm handshake. We're looking for the characteristics that come through of perseverance and them being able to orally show and speak to their accomplishments and how they're ready to take on their high school career and perhaps further the school culture that the high school has already been built.
I used to be like a little shy girl, never spoke up.
And what I'm excited about for the high school is how like there's so many after school clubs.
People write and it's just like strictly facts or their opinion, and what I do is I try to incorporate both facts and opinion, but with my opinion I try to like evoke emotion, I guess.
I want to be one of those people who say, do you like, if someone asks me do I like my job, and say I'm never working if I like it, so.